Yo guys, it's me, Style Redefined. I hope that you're doing well. And today I'm going to be talking about a certain skill that I believe everybody should know. This is a skill that everybody should have in their lives. Simply because I always put emphasis on certain things that will definitely help keep people safe and improve their lives. And this will be no exception. Yeah. It's very simple, very easy to do, but highly beneficial. And that is the art of meditation. Yeah. I'm going to have a tutorial on how to meditate in the description below. So make sure that you guys check it out. But why? Why do I say meditation is such a beneficial form? Okay. And it's very simple. There are many times in our lives, I made a video about this too, where we are constantly surrounded by so many conditions. Yeah, we are constantly surrounded by many difficult and challenging circumstances, or perhaps even easy circumstances. Yeah, joyful circumstances which cause us to lose sight of ourselves and not spend enough time on ourselves or invest enough time within ourselves on ourselves. Yeah, and this is very dangerous. Meditation is what helps remove all of these obstacles for even a short duration. Just to meditate for about 5 to 10 minutes daily is enough to change a person's life drastically. And I always say there is nothing in this life which is better than good character. Tremendously high valued character. This is the most noble thing. This is the best thing that any person could have. Any person could have tremendous character. And there's many ways to become a better person. There's many methods of doing this. Having a mentor, traveling, wisdom, seeking knowledge, having knowledge, the good, beneficial kind of knowledge. Yeah. And amongst these methods, there's also the method of meditation. So I cannot stress this enough, guys. Meditation is something extremely important, and when done in the correct manner, yeah, because there is an incorrect way of doing this too. But if done in the correct manner, yeah, in the beneficial manner, then there is immense benefit to gain from this special form, this special training, the art of meditation. And it's something everyone can do at any time. You don't need to go to a hilltop. You don't need to go to a cave or go to a place completely secluded, or you don't really need to uh, go to a challenging place like, meditate beneath a waterfall. You see these kinds of things sometimes. It's good, but you don't need to do this. It's so simple. Yeah. But once again, I cannot put enough emphasis on how beneficial this form is, how beneficial this type of training is. Yeah. And it's something everybody should learn. So, guys, once again, I'm going to be making a tutorial on this special skill. So make sure that you check it out. I'm going to try to make it as simple as possible and as easy to understand as possible. Yeah, I'm going to have a link in the description to this tutorial, this guide to meditation, and hopefully it's beneficial. So make sure you guys check that out. Yeah, and trust me, it's such an invaluable skill. It will change your life. Change your life. Everyone should know this. And if there's a skill out there that I say everybody should know, then take heed, listen to what I'm saying, because, well, I'm not making this stuff up.